T4 battery that had the alarm going. I've removed these batteries to take this off, and water got in through the sheath. The seal down here was perfect. So let's take this off and have a look inside. So we're just going to undo the screws here, pull this off. What's great is we've got a nice seal on here, which is pretty good. We can move this rubber up, drag this up, and now in this state the whole battery just slides out. These are metal battery boxes, so they're pretty good. So the battery is fully sealed inside this condom-like case, so any water down here is not going to impact it. The top is not that desirable, but the unit could be submerged all the way up to the top here, and a bit of gasket silicone would help that. Sliding this out, and we can really see this is thick and sealed. I am very impressed with this, and there's no holes in the bottom. The battery is then double shrink wrapped. This one's been opened already, and I've got tape on it, so let me just take these off. It is shrink wrapped. I cut my shrink wrap off so I could dry out my battery. So this just comes out super easy. This shrink wrap is a double shrink wrap. There is 2 layers that you can see, and it's double shrink wrapped everywhere. The other layer is here, but that's just to contain the pack, so that gives you a bit of extra. Now for me, my issue was the water, because I did some modifications on my cable. I split it, and water capillaried on here and ran down and then came in and then ran across the board. This is the buzzer right here. Water was on here and then water was everywhere. The way I fixed it, I just blew the water off with my magical blower, dried out the pack in front of a heater for a while, and then reassembled. Once I blew the water off, the buzzer stopped buzzing and the issue was resolved. Now I'm just going to reassemble everything and seal it up. To note is the connector does fit through perfectly once you clean out all the silicone. Case alone, 700 grams. The battery, 1.8 kilos. Altogether, 2.6 kilos. Packs is how they cut open the top, that it slides in. I think some work could be done here. I don't understand why there's a hole in the middle. Probably designed for a different type of pack. I'm going to cut that flat and put some tape on it. And some RTV gasket silicone to seal the top. This thing's looking a lot more sealed now. And I'm going to put some silicone up here, and then no water will be able to travel down and it will be fully sealed. Grease around the perimeter seal, push this in, some grease on the screws and screw them in. It's looking really nice now. Got gasket all around this, and now I just have to fill this last hole and we are done. This all sealed up now in both positions. Going to do something about the top part of the cable, but like this, I'm very happy with these packs, and I'm sure my Master V4 has the same built inside because it is newer.